YouTube, I have a problem. For some reason, well, I'm flushing out my tank. Turn that on. And as soon as it clicks on, I'm going to turn off the... I'm losing pressure somewhere. Where is that pressure going? I have no faucets on. Nothing is running. Where is that pressure going? Someone please tell me what's going on. Turn this back on. And all I'm getting is a trickle out of my hose pipe. And pressure goes down. Where is that pressure going? I seem to be only getting 10 psi of pressure in the tank at a time. Well, that's what I'm guessing anyway. I mean, it goes all the way up, clicks off, and then goes down like 50. What the heck?